10 makeup mistakes you must avoid if you're going for that elegant, classy and timeless look. You just need to go onto Instagram and you will see a wealth of incredible makeup artists out there. There is so much talent that you can learn from. But ladies, you must follow Elegance protocol when it comes to makeup. This is because with the sheer amount of makeup products that there is available to buy, it is so easy to get carried away and go into makeup overkill. Ladies, I want you to seize making the makeup mistakes that you probably have been making and refine your look so you can appear classy and elegant. My lovely elegant ladies, welcome back to another video. My name is Vivienne, the founder of Woman of Elegance, which is a platform to help women globally refine themselves and become the most classiest, feminine and elegant women that they can be. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you are alerted when I release a new video, because this year I am going to help you transform and I don't want you to miss anything. Ladies, if you want to begin your elegance journey, it's important that your appearance is up to scratch. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Number 1, heavy lip and eye combo. Ladies, this is a culprit that I'm really hoping has been left behind in the 90s. When you go heavy on the eye and the lips, then you automatically just throw natural out of the window. Makeup should really be used to accentuate your features and not mask them. So when you paint your face, you literally do the opposite of enhancing it. In this case, less is more. So if you're going all out with your eyes, please do tone it down on the lips and vice versa. Or ladies, you can risk looking theatrical. Just enhancing one of these features will add balance to your face. Number 2, overly dark eyebrows. Eyebrows are one of the most striking features on our face. So whether you have thick or thin eyebrows, it's essential that we take care of them. If you don't, you could possibly end up looking like this. Ladies, try to ensure that your eyebrows are groomed to perfection because it really does transform your look. If you do tint them, avoid tinting them too much because it doesn't look natural. And if you thread them or whatever you do to enhance them, don't go overboard. If you do shading your eyebrows with a pencil, do it so it mimics hair coming out of your eyebrows rather than just a color block of 2 huge eyebrows just staring at you, because it doesn't look natural. So make sure you take your time and shade it in well. That's just my tip for you. Number 3, the wrong blusher or rouge. Unfortunately, I have seen some horrid images of some women who just load on the blusher as if they've been slapped mercilessly. This is not the look that we're going for. Remember that elegance is about creating accentuation as an aesthetic rather than masking. Obviously, as a woman of color, when I do decide to wear blusher, it has to be very faint because of my melanin production. When I blush, literally, it doesn't show. So there's nothing really to enhance. However, if you're of a whiter complexion, this should be used in moderation. Don't go overboard because it's not a good look, ladies. Number 4, thick kohl or kajal. Don't get me wrong, ladies, a good creamy eyeliner under the eyes can look magnificent. If you're going for that sultry evening look, it can look incredibly sensual. However, ladies, I wouldn't recommend this for a daytime look because I just think it's a little bit too much. As human beings, we obviously don't have a dark under eye, so this will look a little bit dramatic, and therefore this is why I think it's more suitable for the evening look. So as a rule of thumb, use this for the evening events and avoid this altogether if you're going for the natural look. When wearing this product, less is more because you don't really want to go for that panda eye look or even the I forgot to take my makeup off last night look, because that's definitely not something that will be deemed classy. Ladies, I have a website. www.womanofelegance.com, and I go into some detail about makeup and what you should avoid, and I also provide you with some tips and tricks, so please have a look at that. Number 5, the corpse contour. Yes ladies, you heard me correctly. Now this is probably the worst makeup mistake that you can make and must be avoided at all costs. What you have to understand is what you see on social media and the brand and makeup campaigns is that most of the time these are edited to achieve that perfect look. It is not real. As human beings, our face is not contoured that way. Makeup artists on Instagram heavily showcase contoured looks because being able to contour properly is an art form itself, and it shows the true skill that you have as a makeup artist. However, it's not real, it is art. If you saw a woman in the broad daylight wearing heavily contoured makeup, you'll be a little bit startled because it's just not a natural look to go for. If you are going for the heavily contoured look, then this is definitely something that should be worn in the evening time, because in the daytime it is a bit too much. You need to avoid the heavily caked up dead body look, ladies, because it's not elegant at all. Number 6, obvious lip liner. Lip liner is excellent because it can give you that fullness of the lips that you desire. My lips are quite thin, so using liner just enhances it a little bit and gives it that plumpness that I love. However, this doesn't look great when the lip liner is obvious for everybody to see. If you do use lip liner, ladies, ensure that it's blended in to give you that ombre hue. Otherwise, if everyone can see that you're wearing lip liner, it's just kind of like the old, you know, the 80s/90s runway look. And that's kind of a look that we've matured from. So avoid that. Number 7, excessively thick and long false eyelashes. Eyelashes are an integral part of a woman's look. So if you have naturally long ones, then you really are blessed. But if you're like me and you have short, curly, annoying ones, then there's a way to circumvent this. If this is the case, you probably will be using false eyelashes at some point. Now, ladies, if you do decide to do this, please avoid thick, long eyelashes, because these are they can just look so trashy, honestly. Eyelashes should be on the right side of natural, and if you're looking for something a bit more dramatic, of course go for a little bit more length, but avoid the thick ones. Individual eyelashes are great and provide a bit more permanence than the strips do. However, these start to shed after a couple of weeks. If this happens, please make sure you get these filled in or removed, because once they start to shed and you don't get them filled in, they don't look right. If you do decide to get them removed professionally so you don't lose your natural ones. So in short, false eyelashes that are too thick, too long are something that definitely should be avoided. Number 8, cheap lipstick to teeth transfer. My lovely elegant ladies, this is a crime. Yes, a crime. It is so cringe when you're standing there smiling at a cute guy, or you're speaking to your work colleagues or whoever it might be, and you have lipstick on your teeth. And a lot of the time, people won't actually tell you that you have this until you go into the bathroom and, oh my goodness, what have I been doing? Just to avoid this, ladies, ensure that you have a mirror compact with you so you can avoid any embarrassing moments with your lipstick. But in addition to that, it's essential that you use a primer on your lips prior to putting on the lipstick, because this literally holds the pigments in place so it doesn't transfer onto your wine glass, onto your teeth and things like that. So please keep that in mind. Number 9, long flicked out eyeliner. Now ladies, eyeliner has the ability to transform your look from plain Jane to the sultry 1950s type vixen look, if that's the kind of look that you like going for. However, if you overdo it, you can risk looking like this. Now, as much as we love Amy Winehouse, she's probably not somebody we'll be looking to for makeup inspiration. So just ensure that your eyeliner is not exaggerated. We are going for the classy look, so less is more. You just want to kind of see a little flick that can elongate your eyes. Just don't exaggerate it by using too much eyeliner. Number 10, fairground eyeshadow, including glitter. Ladies, I decided to add this in because I feel that glitter should be avoided altogether. I don't think that it adds any elegance and class to your makeup look. As elegance really is about enhancing your natural beauty, adding glitter doesn't do this, and again adds more theatricality to your look, which is not really the type of look that you should be going for. It kind of gives me circus vibes, so it's not something I would recommend to you, my elegant ladies. Well, there you have it, my list of 10 makeup mistakes that you must avoid if you want to look classy and elegant. Subscribe to my channel because I will be giving you regular content, because I am so passionate about helping you ladies level up this year. So thank you for watching, and until next time, bye for now.